In today's increasingly competitive textile printing industry, efficiency and quality have become the key factors that determine a company's competitiveness. If you are looking for a machine that truly boosts productivity and meets high-volume order demands, don't miss the Sublistar DTF Turbo Ultra-Fast Industrial DTF Printer. Speed and vibrant colors combined. This machine can be equipped with 7 to 8 Epson i3200 printheads, forming a powerful multi-channel output system capable of ultra-fast printing speeds of up to 52 per hour. Whether it's large area solid colors or complex gradients and detailed designs, it ensures vivid, layered, and consistent results. It achieves both speed and color performance, making it the ideal solution for mass production and high-quality customization. Long-time stable operation. From bulk t-shirt customization to industrial garment production, the DTF Turbo provides a stable, continuous, and highly efficient solution. It adopts an industrial-grade feeding system that ensures long-time printing accuracy, preventing misalignment and paper jams. Intelligent white ink circulation. Equipped with an intelligent white ink circulation system, it effectively prevents sedimentation and nozzle clogging, keeping colors consistently vibrant. Fully automatic powder shaking and drying. The machine comes with a fully automatic powder shaker and dryer, which evenly distributes powder and uses smart drying to fully melt the adhesive, ensuring durable and long-lasting transfer prints. Saves labor and reduces costs. This integrated workflow greatly reduces manual intervention, saves labor costs, and enables truly efficient automation. Wash-resistant, fade-proof prints. In terms of quality, the DTF Turbo delivers delicate colors, sharp details, and wash-resistant prints, fully meeting high textile printing standards. Ideal for large-scale customization. For businesses, it not only means faster delivery times but also significantly lowers unit costs, making bulk order management much easier. Whether you are running a garment factory, a customization shop, or a large-scale pod business, the DTF Turbo is the perfect choice to boost productivity. Efficiency, quality, stability in one. Sublistar DTF Turbo, an industrial-grade DTF printer that perfectly combines efficiency, quality, and stability. Take your textile printing business into a new era of high-speed growth. For more updates, please follow, subscribe, and give us a like. We'll continue to share the latest insights and practical tips from the printing industry.